Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was supposed to make this video yesterday, but something came up, so I'm making the video today. And the time is 8:29 p.m. Sunday evening. So I'm going to start today on gold. So basically, um, as of last week, I did a top-down analysis on XAUUSD NAS100, right? So I talked about price selling, then looking for a reversal. But obviously, what happened last week was a huge retracement. So this was a market correction to the downside. You can see on my Fibonacci extension, this was like the 100%, right? From the top to this side is the 100%, right? Then this is my first target for my Fibonacci, then the second, third, then fourth, right? So this was the first zone that price reacted off from. So now let's go over to, this is a weekly time frame though. A weekly time frame, we are still bullish because the last, this make market structure, break of structure, this was a break of structure. Let's say this is a change of character. Let's see for this week if price is going to do a retracement, then sell down, or to just continue, maybe use this guy as an inducement, then a buy to the upside. So I don't know yet. Let's go over to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what am I saying? Like I said, the break of structure to the upside. On the daily time frame, I can boldly say this is market structure shift, a change of character, but I don't know. Like, I don't know if price is going to. If you play the previous video, I said what makes you a good trader is the ability for you to change bias. So, yeah, last week I was expecting price to come. Don't worry, maybe when I get to that zone, I'll talk about it. So, like I said, what makes you a good trader is the ability for you to change bias. So now I know this is a market structure shift, but I don't know if the correction that's about to come, right? Maybe market might just respect respect the zone, then sell down, or continue the buys. Like I said, on the weekly time frame, price is reacting off this demand zone, right? This demand zone. So I don't know if you can see prices reacting off this demand zone. This was a huge rejection on the line charts. Obviously, you cannot see anything. So basically, we are still safe here. This is a strong low. So that was just a market stop loss rate, right? So we are still on that low. We are still on this low, and this is an inducement. So this can be a continuation to the upside or a retracement here, then sell to the downside. So two buyers that I'm looking for. But obviously, I'm going to take the buy to this upside. So I don't know if when price gets here, then maybe I look if it's going to sell or just to close my buys. So yeah, that's it for the daily time frame. Yeah, because you can see the momentum has been reducing, a huge engulfing. So you can see the sellers are leaving the market. Let's go over to the 4 hours. So this high, low, lower low, lower high. So maybe price creating lower low when price open today, or just respect this low. Then maybe do like a minus change of character on the 4 hours to break this high. Break this high. You get. So once price break this high, then just wait for a shot. Then wait for retracement, then to the upside. You get. So yeah, So as of last week, I think we stopped at 1 hour last week. So last week I said the price was consolidating. Then I was expecting a reaction on this resistance zone, then sell to the downside. But now look at this on ICT or SMC, wherever you can see that price did an IFED on this fair value gap. So price has done whatever business they came here to do. Do you understand? Now, sorry, let me zoom this thing. You can see the IFED. So price did a touch on the fair value gap, right? Then what happened? Then they did a market structure shift, right? Then did a retracement. What is this? An inducement. An inducement. An inducement. We reacted on this fair value gap, then started selling. So, which I saw this stuff, but I didn't, because as of price closed like this now, so I was expecting a reaction to the upside, like a deep retracement to fill this fair value gap. But there's so many ways that price can fill the fair value gap. I fed consequence equations and the rest. I don't want this video to be long, but that's it for gold. So, like I said, what I'm expecting price to do next week is break the change of character, then retrace or sweep this low, still give me a change of character, then I'll still look for buy. So that's it for gold, right? Or so let me give you so many buyers. We have um we have a fair value gap here. So maybe what happened last week, price can still do the same thing again this week. Do you understand? Price can still come back to this zone, use this fair value gap, then sell to the downside. So, because currently, what am I seeing here? It's a big consolidation. So, price is consolidating on the 1 hour. This was the same thing price did last week. So, fingers crossed. So, there are so many ways you can kill this bird. So, yeah. Sell to the downside, take do a change of character. Well, why I'm looking for buys is my moving average is coming below the current market price. So that means obviously it's telling me that market is about to change a trend. So don't worry. On the next video, I think I'll talk about how to use moving average and how I think I didn't make use of it on the last so maybe I would have seen the sales or something. So yeah. So let's go over to NAS100. Remember I talked about you see what drew yesterday last week. So obviously on the daily time frame we had a break constructed to the upside. So this is a correction, the retracement. All right. So let me draw my fib from the low to the high. So we are currently at the 62%. So price close on the 62%. So obviously I'm still looking for buys. So that's why I'm looking for buys on gold. So if this guy is going to buy, and of course I'll be looking for buys on gold too. So this is a consolidation, right? This is a big consolidation, manipulation, then distribution. So next week I'll be looking for buys on NAS100. And remember I talked about this zone, right? Last week. We had a support zone here. So I said I need a break and then retest, then sell to the downside. I was even targeting this zone here, but price even gave more pips to the downside. So what happened? Did a break, right? When I looked, I saw this guy. This guy was, this high was responsible for taking out this low, right? So I wanted to take this sell, right? But I think I came late. Then this was the second one I saw. I broke this. So but though I wasn't around last week, so I didn't take any trade last week. So thank God that thank God, I was just happy that price did a deep sell. So this whole sell that I missed, I'm going to catch it next week. So I'm going to be in any of these trades, in one of these trades. I mean, gold or NAS100. So yeah. So currently, what am I seeing on NAS100? This is a higher fed. This is an higher fed. Sorry, fill this fair value gap. So this fair value gap has been filled. So what am I looking for is, I'm not seeing anything right now. This is just a break of structure to the downside. So next week I need to see something like this. Since we already have I have a high, so maybe I don't know why PC is slow like this. So I just expect maybe sweep this downside, then go up, do a change of character, then to the upside. Do you understand? So yeah, that's it for NAS100. BTC BTC was crazy last week. Like BTC was crazy last week. I gave this setup and we already hit TP 1 to 2. Yeah, so currently we at, see my moving average still below, so I'm still looking for sell obviously. Sorry, on higher time frame my moving average is above, I mean, sorry. That's why I'm still looking for sales until this moving average come below. Then I will switch my bias to buy. So I've done, like I said, we've done 1 to 2, even 1 to 4 safe. So we've done 1 to 4. So that was a good setup. Do you understand? So currently I've hit TP on BTC, so I'm not even looking for BTC anymore. I said maybe BTC falls down to like 86K, then maybe look for a new buy, or just this demand zone. Since price is refusing to come to this demand zone, that means 89. Maybe look for a buy around this zone, right? Then take the buy to the upside, because this was a massive rejection. So the price did a fill on this fair value gap. Same thing they did here. Same thing they did here. Same thing they did here. This tiny bit here. So the whole fair value gap has been filled. So that means price is just going to use this demand zone. Do you understand? So yeah, that's it for BTC. Dollar has been going up. Like dollar has been going up for quite some time now. So my moving average is going above it. So maybe next week I'll be I will look. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see for next week. But price has been giving me a bullish pattern, because you can see on the weekly, on the monthly, this is a massive graph you can do for me. Though month hasn't ended already, so I cannot say it's a bullish engulfing candle. Who knows? A few days for market to, so a few days for the month to end, you might just see a deep retracement and close with a rejection candle. Who knows? So yeah, weekly I'm seeing price taking out this buy side liquidity, or taking out this resistance zone. So price is still strong on DXY. So that means that's what I'm saying. I'm projecting sell on DXY so I can buy gold and the rest. Do you understand? So still very bullish on daily time frame to break of structure, 4 hours. Moving average is below on the daily time frame. Same thing on the 4 hours. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. This was the last low. This was the last low that broke a high. This low, it's not a strong low because it didn't break any high. But this high is still respected. So obviously, maybe before I can say that price is on a downtrend is when price breaks this. So yeah, so that's it for DXY right now. Price is consolidating. That's a good sign that market is about to reverse. Maybe wake off pattern. So yeah, so let's see what will happen next week. So my bias for next week is sell on DXY, buy for NAS100 BTC. I don't understand. Still buy, yeah. Then gold, my main guy. I'm looking for buys on gold. So yeah, that's it for this week. Hope to see you guys next week. Trades, save, apply proper risk management. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.